Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to order the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS drop test while using the screen recording at same time in the Poco F3 GT device. As you can see, this is a Poco F3 GT. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. And during this time of demonstration, let me try to show you exactly what kind of screen recording settings I'm trying to select. And these are my screen recording settings, which is a 1080 and video quality 8 Mbps. And sound source you can select if you want the system sounds as well, you can try to select. And I did disable the fixed frame rate, because if you try to enable the fixed frame rate, what is happening, you can actually only record up to 30 fps. So if you try to disable the fixed frame rate, maybe if the game supports 60 fps, it will try to record at 60 fps. Right now I'm playing at 90 fps. Let's see what will be the fps of that video, at what frames it will try to record. I'll try to exactly show you all the details. So let me try to open the game right now. And during this time I'm trying to use the config file. So by using config file only, you will be able to play at 90 fps in this Poco F3 GT. I'm going to go back to the settings, and I'm trying to go back settings and graphics. As you can see, 90 fps I'm trying to enable. As you can see friends, you can see the real-time fps meter as well, which is kind of close to 91 and 89. It's showing clearly. I did enable the 90 fps as well. So this is a demonstration using the bootcamp test and using the config file only. So only using config file. Let me try to start the screen recording as soon as I do the drop test. So then we'll be able to understand how is the FPS maintaining in this device. So while using the screen recording and playing the game at 90 FPS at same time. So this is going to be really very interesting friends. Because this is my first time doing this kind of screen recording test plus gaming at 90 FPS at same time testing in this Poco F3 GT. So right now the match is about to start. Let me try to exactly select the screen recording. Yes, the screen recording has been started successfully, and let's see how much the FPS will be dropped during this kind of during the screen recording option. So let me try to drop exactly at the boot camp, and this is my first time doing this kind of drop test using the screen recording at same time in the Poco F3 GT. So let's see how much we can actually expect. And right now we're getting close, and let me try to try to observe this FPS count, how much it is. So right now it's kind of close to 89, we are getting 88, 86, 85. As you can see, the screen recording is going on in the side. You can clearly see that. 87 FPS, 75, 62. As you can see, it dropped up to 62 as well. 75 and 62. 79. As you can see friends, the FPS drop you did see, it did happen a little bit but not much. It went up to 62 as well in the process of demonstration. So right now it was stable around 76, 79, 78. As you can see here, 78, it was stable at this moment. So using the screen recording and playing at same time, the screen recording is going on, as you can see friends, exactly. So 69, 76 FPS. So this is using the config file only, so don't worry about that. So this is the config file. So maybe once the official update comes, so it might be more stable. So that is what I'm expecting if the official update comes. So we need to wait for the official update till then. And temperature also started to increase a little bit, kind of more. So gaming and screen recording at same time, slightly it increasing little by little. So I can try to do the next one more drop test while using the screen recording at same time. So in this way we'll be able to get to know what is happening. So let me do the another drop test at the 90 FPS. So this is my second time doing the screen recording and the drop test at the same time. Let's see what will happen in the second time, how much FPS it can actually drop. So as I said, so this is not the official 90 FPS, so definitely we may expect slightly consistent performance. So once we get the official 90 FPS, so at this moment we need to just use the config file only just for the demonstration. So let's see what will happen. But definitely the temperatures are increasing slightly. I can actually feel a lot of heat. Let's see how much the temperatures. 37.7 degrees, 37.6. So 37 degrees during this process of demonstration, not bad. And real-time FPS, it's coming about close to 84 FPS and 85. So using the screen recording and playing at same time, it went down to 59 as well. As you can see, 59 FPS, 70, 64, as you can see, friends. So playing at same time using the screen recording. These are the settings exactly we got right now. You can clearly see here what is happening. So 680 FPS, 81 FPS right now, it got settled exactly, as you can see. 81 FPS we are getting, 86 and 77, as you can see, friends. So this is a quick test on the Poco F3 GT while gaming and using the screen recording at the same time. Now let's check what is the details about this video quality and everything. Let's go to the details, and let me try to show you. The resolution is of 1080 resolution and the size of close to 218 MB and with 1 minute and 20 seconds of time, as you can see. And for more details, let me try to open other media players. Maybe we might actually see more details in terms of the screen recording. So this is the screen recording option which we recorded. Let me try to go to the properties and let's see what is happening here in terms of the properties. What is the frame rates? So right now the frame rate is showing about 9000 frame rate, somewhere around that, as you can see clearly. And this exact details about the screen recording what we recorded just now. Let me go to the properties. As you can see, friends, frame rates recording is at 9000. The bit rate is about 23 bit rate per second, as you can see, but I did select 88 Mbps. So this is a quick details about the Poco F3 GT in terms of the playing and using the screen recording at the same time in this phone. These are the details about the FPS drop test. So same kind of FPS drop test I'm going to do on the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.